Hello guys, how are you doing? And I hope you are doing well. In this video, I will be sharing with you all a Farmaishi Chakradar, and which is a very famous Chakradar. And I just wanted to make a quick video and share it with you all. So let's begin. I'll play for you once, and then teach you how it is played. And one thing about Farmaishi Chakradar, that in the Chakradar, in this type of Farmaishi Chakradar, the first and second and the third sum of the Tihai, yeah. For example, in this, in particular, it's Dhatrika Dhatrika Kataka Dagina Dha, Din Takata Takata Dhatrika Dhatrika Dagina Dha, Din Takata Takata Dhatrika Dhatrika Dagina Dha, Din Takata Takata Dhatrika Dhatrika Dagina Dha. So, the first din dha comes on the first sum of the lahara of the 16-beat cycle, and then in the other rotation it comes on the second, and then finally it comes on the third. So this is the speciality about the Farmaishi Chakradar. So let's see. I'll speak to you once, I recite once. Tin tin na trek din din na ge na dhige dhina na na din din da da din 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 takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen datrek datte kata gadigen din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din takat takat datrek datte kata gadigen datrek datte kata gadigen din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadigen datrek datte kata gadigen din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da din din takat takat datrek datte kata gadegen da. So guys, this is a very famous and very well played Chakradar, and let's start how to play it. Let's learn now how to play it. So the first syllables are then, yeah, then. So with ghe, yeah, and then thun together. Then, very simple. Then takat dhatra ke dhete te kata gadigen dhatra ke dhete te kata gadigen. So particularly in this Chakradar, in the space where we are playing dhatra ke dhete te kata gadigen, it is played differently by different tabla players, yeah. So some tabla, in some gharanas, the tabla players play it like dha tirikit dhete te kata gadigen, like dha tirikit dhete te kata gadigen, or dha tirikit dhete te kata gadigen, dha tirikit dhete te kata gadigen, or dha tirikit dhete te kata gadigen. So you can play it, otherwise how you like it. You can play it like dha tirikit dhete te kata gadigen or Dhatreke dhete te kata gadigene. Yeah. So I will tell you both. So in Dhatreke, it is Dhatreke. Yeah, Dhatre. So 1, 2, 3 together. Tre. That becomes tre. Tre. Yeah, treke. Dhatreke. Dhatreke. So we say it's actually Dhatre. Dhatre te. Te. Yeah, it comes in te. But because of the melodious tone of because the tabla has also a very it's like the bowls and the compositions are very poetic. So if we say dhatrete, it's a bit not pleasant. So we say dhatreke, dhatreke, yeah, dhatreke, 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 yeah, dhatreke, de. So din taket, that's clear. And then dhatreke, 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 ke and te together. Dhatreke, de te te, de te te, kata gadi gen, kata gadi, dhatreke de te te, kata gadi gen, dhatreke, dhatreke. So the first it's actually has this qaida has actually this Chakradhar has actually 3 speeds. Yeah, then the first speed, then taket dhatraka dete kata gadigin, and then dhatraka dete kata gadigin, then taket dhatraka dete kata gadigin, then taket. So 3 speeds. Actually it's all can be in a way also not properly, but can be in a way also called a Tripalli Chakradhar. Yeah, but it's not completely a Tripalli because the syllables are different. Yeah, in the first and the second and the third, but the speeds, 3 different speeds. So it is a sort of Tripalli Chakradhar, Farmaishi. Yeah. So the first part we have learned din taket taket dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin or kata gadigin. You can play like that, kata gadigin or kata gadigin. Both are correct. Yeah, kata or kata gadigin. Yeah, and the second, which was I saying dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin, that will be played like dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin. Yeah, dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin. Both are right. So and then the first part we have learned then taket dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin, and then dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin or dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin. Yeah, so dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin. Yeah, dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin. Same like the dhatreke dhete te kata gadigin. So you can also practice this phrase separately, so that when you play the complete Chakradhar, the Chakradhar will be easier for you to play. Yeah? Or yeah. So the second part is also clear. So till now what we have learned is then taket dhatreke dhete kata gadigin, dhatreke dhete kata gadigin. Yeah, and then the Tihai part. Then taket dhatreke dhete kata gadigin da, then taket dhatreke dhete kata gadigin da, then taket dhatreke dhete kata gadigin da. So very simple again. Then Yeah, so I'll play once again. You can write it down and speak with me, also recite with me, and then play also with me. So then it's the speed of this, because it's changing the speed, so you will it will fit in your head. Yeah, it will fit in your memory how the speeds are going. Ta, tik, tik, din, din, da, da. Then takata takata datrika dhete kata gadigin datrika dhete kata gadigin then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika dhete kata gadigin datrika dhete kata gadigin then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika dhete kata gadigin datrika dhete kata gadigin then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da then takata takata datrika kata gadigin da. So guys, I hope you like this tutorial video of the Farmaishi Chakradar, and you can let me know if you face any difficulty. You can always comment to me in the comment section, and I will be happy to reply to you, and practice more, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.